How to fix Valorant error code 1. Or Valorant has encountered a connection error. First, close all Valorant service running in background. Now open Start and type Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Firewall and Network Protection. Click on Allow an app through Firewall. Click on Change Setting. Click on Allow another app. Click on Browse. Open Riot Game folder. Open Valorant folder. Open Live folder. Open Shooter Game folder. Open Binaries folder. Open Win64 folder. Select it and click on Open. Click on Add. Select both private and public and press OK. Now your problem should be fixed. Guys, please like and subscribe my channel.